chapter name is Plant Kingdom. It is the third chapter. So, first question, which of the following is the correct match? In gymnosperms, Cedrus, Pinus, and Sequoia. So, first option is correct. Second option is incorrect because Sequoia is belong to gymnosperms. Third, third, third option is incorrect because Polysiphonia belongs to Rhodophyceae, not bryophyte. In fourth, ginkgo belongs to gymnosperms, not pteridophytes. So option 1 is correct match. Next question. Read the following statement and choose the set of correct statements in members of PYC. Asexual reproduction occurs usually by flagellated zoospores. This is correct. B. Sexual reproduction is by oogamous method. No. In PFIC, sexual reproduction by oogamous, isogamous, or anisogamous method. Not only oogamous. So B is wrong. Stored food is in the form of carbohydrates which is either mannitol or laminin. C option is correct. The major pigment D. The major pigment found are chlorophyll A, C, and carotenoids and xanthophyll. D is correct. E. Vegetative cells have cellulosic wall usually covered on outside by gelatinous coating of algin. It is also correct. So A, C, D, and E are correct set of statements. Next, match List 1 to list 2. In pteridophytes are group of plants that include ferns and their allies. Pteridophytes are further divided into classes including pteridophyte, further divided into various classes, in which Psilopsida, in which Psilotum is example, Psilotum. Next, Lycopsida, example is Selaginella and Lycopodium. Next class is Spinopsida, Spinopsida. Example is Equisetum. And last is Pteropsida. Example is Dryopteris, Pteris, and Ediantum. So, Pteropsida, Ediantum, Lycopsida, Selaginella, and Lycopodium. So, Selaginella and Psilopsida, Psilotum is per example. Psilotum. In Spinopsida, Equisetum is example. So, A 3, B 4, C 1, and D 2 is a correct match. Next question. Which classes of algae possess pigment fucoxanthin and pigment phycoerythrin? So, major pigment fucoxanthin present in Phaeophyceae. So, Phaeophyceae, and phycoerythrin present in Rhodophyceae means red algae. So, option 2 is correct. Next question. Which of the following statement is true? All pteridophytes exhibit haplodiploidic pattern. Yes. Pteridophytes interestingly exhibit an intermediate condition haplodiploidic. Yes. So option 1 is correct. Next question. Identify the pair of heterosporous pteridophyte among the following. Heterospores. So heterospores means two kind of spores, in which Selaginella and Salvinia, which produce two kind of spores. One is macro and one is micro, and this is known as heterosporous. So Selaginella and Salvinia are heterosporous pteridophytes. So option 1 is correct. Next question. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. So assertion A is the first stage of gametophyte in the life cycle of moss is protonema stage. Yes, aspiration is correct. Reason: Protonema develops directly from spores produced in capsule. Yes, correct. And so both A and R are correct, and reason is correct explanation of acceleration. Next question. Match list 1 to list 2. So Chlamydomonas is an unicellular alga. Next, Cycas belongs to gymnosperms. Selaginella is pteridophyte. And Sphagnum is moss. Next question. Hydrocolloid carrageen is obtained from rhodophyceae. Hydrocolloid are water-holding substance. For example, carrageen obtained from rhodophyceae, also called as red algae. Next, which of the following incorrectly match? Ectoxanthin, Porphyra floridian starch, Pulvox starch. Eulothrix is a member of Chlorophyceae. With reserve food material is starch, not mannitol. Mannitol is a store food material in Phaeophyceae. Next, gamete are present in. So, gamete are present in some live woods. Example is Mertensia. These gamete are present in Mertensia, and Mertensia is in live woods. Live woods belongs to bryophyte. Bryophytes include various mosses and live woods. Next, which of the following contain mannitol as reserved food material? Mannitol as reserve food material in Phaeophyceae. brown algae. So ectocarpus. So ectocarpus is an example of phaeophycy. So option A is correct. Ulothrix is belongs to chlorophycy. Volvox is also belongs to chlorophycy, and Gracilaria is belongs to red algae, that is rhodophycy. Next question. Which of the following pairs of unicellular algae? Gelidium and Gracilaria is multicellular. Volvox is colonial. Laminaria and Sargassum also multicellular. So cholera and spirulina is unicellular. So option 3 is correct. Floridian starch has structure similar to amylopectin and glycogen. Floridian starch is store food material in red algae, and it has structure similar to amylopectin and glycogen. Next question. Strobili or cones are found in. So in pteridophyte, strobili or cones is found in Selaginella and Equisetum. So Equisetum is our answer. Next question. Pinus seed cannot germinate and are established without fungal association. This is because it has obligate association with mycorrhiza. Next question. Which one is wrongly matched? Polysiphonia is a genus of red algae and has asexual spores and gametes are motile. So this is wrongly matched. It has flagella. Next question. An example of colonial algae. So Volvox is an example of colonial algae. Here we can see this is Volvox, in which can see parent colony and daughter colony. Here we can see the parent colony and daughter colony. So colonial algae is Volvox. Next question. Life cycle of Ectocarpus and Fucus respectively are. So Ectocarpus are haplodiplontic. Ectocarpus and Polysiphonia gills are haplodiplontic. So Ectocarpus is haplodiplontic, diplotic, Fucus are diplomatic. So, diplomatic. So option 2 is correct. Next question. Which of the following statement is wrong? Laminary and sargassum are used as food. Yes, laminary and sargassum are used as food. Algae increase the level of dissolved oxygen in immediate environment. Yes, it is correct. Agar agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. Yes, it is correct. But algin is obtained from Laminaria fucus, which is brown algae. So this statement is wrong. Not red algae, brown algae. Algin is obtained from brown algae, not from red algae. And carrageen are and carrageen obtained from red algae, not from brown algae. Next question. In bryophytes and pteridophytes, transport of m- male and male gametes requires water. Next question. Which one of the following statement is wrong? Agar is obtained from Gelidium and Gracilaria. Correct. Cholera and spirulina are used as space food. Correct. Mannitol is stored food in rhodophyceae. No. Mannitol is stored food in Phaeophyceae. Algin and carrageen are product of algae. Yes. So option 3 is the answer. Next question. In which of the following gametophyte is not independent free living? Minus. Next question. Male gametes are flagellated in Ectocarpus. Male gametes are flagellated in motile. Next question. Which of the following is responsible for pit formation? So, sphagnum is a moss provide pit that have long been used as fuel. So, sphagnum used at a pit formation, responsible for pit formation and used as a fuel. Next question. Isogamous condition with non-flagellated gametes found in. Isogamous means similar size of gametes. Isogamous is Pyrovera. Anisogamous means dissimilar in size. An example is Eudorina, and oogamous means fusion between one large non-motile female gametes and smaller motile male gametes. Example is Volvox fucus. So, isogamous condition is in Spirogyra. So, option 4 is correct. Next question. Which of the following wrongly matched? Spirogyra is Spirogyra have non-motile motile gametes. Next question. The plant body is thalloid. In live words, in live words, the plant body of live words is thalloid. Example Mertensia. Example of live words is Mertensia. And plant body of live words is thalloid. Next question. Cycas and Indiantum resemble each other in having motile sperm. Cycas is gymnosperm and Adiantum is pteridophyte. But has a resemble in motile sperm. Next question. Which of one of the following pairs wrongly matched? Ginkgo archigonia, yes. Viroids as RNA, yes. Mustard synergids, yes. Salvinia is wrongly matched.